Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes izindaba zabantu, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, isigaxa esingaka. So there's this funeral parlor ne eyaka iMakamu. So uMakamu is, I don't know, mfundisi. But Makamu is the guy behind is the guy owenza area Tsotela. You know, he is known for fixing families, fixing family conflict. And we all know who Mr. Bishop Makamu. Yes, he's the bishop, Mr. Bishop Makamu. Ne? So Mr. Bishop Makamu has a funeral parlor and it's starting to, pick up now. Like people are starting to know about it now. And we all know our parents, they love him from Area Hotel. Hey, this guy is this and that. This guy is doing a great job. So obviously, target market yake, it's the elders, it's old people. So there's this lady on TikTok who went there and just shared her story. Ukuthi, hey son, I was scammed by this funeral parlor. Okay, I was scammed by iMakamu saying that this and that, but they didn't deliver, And in the comment section, when people were asking her, why did you join a new funeral parlor? Like it has no history, it has nothing. It's risky to join a new funeral parlor. Okay, let's know. It's not me, it was my mother who joined. So if I'm not mistaken, I think it's her mom that passed away. So now they need the money. They need to have a burial, Okay, scammed them. Kuthiwa ke sana, the chairs that they brought for the funeral, the chairs that nje abazilethile, it was old chairs with scratches, guysini. She even took pictures of the decoration material, i-deco material, moslama lapho akhona ukudecoratwa ngawo. Hey sana, izimbobo, patches everywhere on those things. And also uthi ugirl ne, she went there and asked Uti, can I please upgrade to what. But you ask Uti, there are steps to these funeral things. So the more you pay, the more you have an upgrade of some sort. So okay, Luciana, she went there asking for an upgrade. I think upgrade obviously uthola more things. For example, if you're supposed to get 20 chairs, you pay for an upgrade, you get maybe 50 chairs, you get maybe 4 cars instead of 2 cars. Kanjalo kanjalo, guys, you know this. But okay, before the funeral, ne, can I please have an upgrade? But no stress. But you will have to pay, I think it was 65,000. Now, if I'm not mistaken, extra or something like that, something along those lines. But I will insert a picture so that you guys can see. I'm not sure. So okay, that's not a problem, guys. Paid the amount. What did they do? They bring all the chairs, they bring decoration material edabukile. Yay, okay, bamenzele umhlolo, guys, bamenzele umhlolo nje. Everything was just such a mess, And sana, when I was checking on the comment section, people are bayasho ukuthi this is not the first time we hear such complaints. So this thing has been going on for a while now, and people are still paying this funeral tontoni. Like iMakamu, I don't know, maybe it's because it's still new. But if sana, the company is still new, why is the material old? Why is the material old nje? Yo, kuningi sana, kuningi. It's just a warning to everyone, do not join funeral policies or funeral parlors or what. Do not join these new things that come and then now you want to, because sana, you will regret. You will regret. It's just a friendly warning, and I can only imagine paying such an amount to get such old things. But it was a even to get a casket, it was such a problem. Everything was just a hassle, kubo. So it's just a friendly warning, guys. Hey, stay away from new things. I know we like new things, but we also need to warn our parents, because bona balandela uMakamu, but they don't know. Hey, it's very risky. you know. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.